Looking for a portable keyboard piano that has the perfect key layout for your needs? Look no further than the 2022 model from Best Portable Keyboard Piano. This keyboard offers a 61-key layout that is perfect for both beginners and experts alike, making it a great choice for anyone who wants to piano without having to spend a lot of time learning the notes. Plus, the tough and durable design means that this keyboard is perfect for musicians on the go. So let's get started. List number 1. Alesis Melody 61-Key Keyboard Piano. The Melody 61-key USB keyboard with acoustic piano voice is an effective full-size piano that provides an exceptional level of playing experience. The 61 velocity-sensitive acoustic piano keys provide the entire piano sound, including sustained bass, soft sustain, and delicate harmonics. You can easily create your own tune or learn from pre-loaded demo songs, play along with 300 built-in rhythms, practice solo or with your friends and family through its smart accompaniment mode to make it real fun for learning the keyboard skill. The Melody 61-key electric piano is the perfect tool for musicians to practice and perform to their friends and family. With 61 premium piano-style keys with an intuitive layer and split mode, you can quickly master any song. The Melody's built-in speakers mute when headphones are plugged in, so you can play without overdriving your neighbors. You can create your own music by recording your performances and practicing with interactive online lessons, or enjoy 40 songs provided by Skoov. The Alesis Melody 61 MKI keyboard combines 61 piano-style keys, 300 built-in sounds with layering and split modes, 300 built-in rhythms for playing along to 40 demo songs, an easy-to-assemble stand, a bench with 3 adjustable height settings, headphones that automatically mute the speakers for private practice, a music rest for holding sheet music, a power adapter, and even a microphone for singing along while you play. List number 2. Yamaha YPT 260-61-key portable keyboard with power adapter. The Yamaha YPT 260-61-key portable keyboard features a wide variety of sounds and functions, 400 high-quality voices, 130 accompaniment styles, 112 onboard songs, and a 9-step lesson function. The keyboard is the ideal choice for an aspiring musician just straying out. A 6-hour rechargeable battery conveniently allows you to play even at the park or on the beach. Yamaha's YPT 260-61-key portable keyboard is the ideal keyboard for an aspiring musician just straying out. With a 9-step lesson function when connected to your computer, the YPT 260 makes learning fun and effective. From beginner to advanced, the Yamaha YPT 260 is the perfect keyboard for anyone looking to broaden his or her musical horizons. The YPT 260 features 40 built-in songs and 50 onboard accompaniments, as well as a 9-step lesson function to help new musicians develop their playing skills. It comes with everything you need for comfortable play, including quality Nord piano teacher lessons on CD. Yamaha Education Suite with 9-step lesson function. O input allows you to play along with music from a phone, tablet, or computer. List number 3. Casio Tone. The Casio Tone Keyboard Quart S200 is the perfect first step and gift for the music-loving beginner. The Casio Tone Keyboard Quart S200 features 400 tones, 75 rhythms, and an ultra-compact size that's easy to take anywhere. With 61 full-size keys, easy-to-read LCD display, intuitive controls, and an ultra-lightweight portable design with an integrated carrying handle, this is not only a great first instrument but also an excellent choice for musical creativity. The Casio Quart S2000 is the ultimate portable keyboard. The music rest makes it easy to create chords without disturbing anyone around you. The multi-responser buttons can be used for drum sounds and bass parts as well. The Casio FDS201 is a unique, portable keyboard with 400 tones and 75 rhythms. It is useful for playing for hours on end. Whether you're practicing or just pure fun, it's easy to carry around and makes music even more fun. The FDS201 also includes a built-in speaker system that lets you listen to your tunes anywhere, although the sound quality isn't terrific. The keyboard is ultra compact, measuring just 2 inches by 10 inches, but it does come equipped with 10 preset rhythms as well as 61 full-size keys for all your favorite songs. List number 4. Vangoa VGK611 Piano Keyboard for Beginner. Vangoa's VGK611 is a piano keyboard for kids. It features 61 key unweighted keys to provide a safer, more comfortable feeling and improved finger spacing. 18 colors of LEDs light up at various speeds to guide children through music practice. The volume can be adjusted by your child's skill level as they progress. An adjustable note mode enables children to practice playing specific notes or entire songs, and an auto-select mode selects the keys that will help children learn the most efficiently. Lesser the entry difficulty, children will have more fun and learn faster. Our product is engineered to fully meet your kids' growing needs. 3 training modes meet a variety of musical interests. 92 keys light up in demo note order, tempo controllable, from slow to fast. Unweighted 61 ABS piano keys meet small finger spacings so that kids can practice conveniently. LED lighted key offers game-like practice and helps kids build confidence by seeing the beats being played on the board. This makes it easy for them to adjust the tempo and hear how the music sounds different at each speed level. This ergonomically designed keyboard will provide a better fit for your child's hands, and the keys are lined with an adjustable table that makes them easier to play. List number 5. Roland Go, Keys 61 Key Music Creation Piano Keyboard. Go, Keys 61 is the perfect keyboard for hobbyists and professionals alike, featuring an all-new design, innovative loop mix function and pro-grade key action. With Loop Mix, you'll be able to create some truly amazing music with no previous music experience, while the new memory function lets you create and store up to 18 songs at a time. You can also connect with other Go Keys instruments via Bluetooth, optional, or jam along with music from your smartphone or tablet using Roland's free Go Fun app. The Go Keys 61 Key Music Creation Piano Keyboard features intuitive design, compact size, and powerful performance to help you create amazing music. At home or on the go, with Roland's Go Keys you can make beats and sing along to your favorite songs with ease. You can even use it in combination with other Roland keyboards. There's also a diverse range of pro sounds to explore, plus an easy-to-use recorder to capture and share your creations. And with Bluetooth connectivity and compatibility with smartphones and tablets, you can jam along with music from your smartphone or tablet and work with all sorts of great music apps.